Welcome to ET Math Academy. Topic for today is graphs, and in my earlier videos I have taken two of the graphs and determined if that particular graphs are function or not. So this is my third problem. Here is my graph. Y is greater than of mod x. So whenever x is represented inside the brackets, it represents the mod x, modulus of x, and modulus includes positive value. So say suppose, let me give an example for you. Modulus of -1 will be equal to 1 and modulus of 1 is again equal to 1. So whatever the value for negative and positive numbers, the value turns to be a positive here if it is included inside the modulus. So it takes the absolute value, which is the positive value. Okay, so coming to the problem for the graph y greater than modulus of x. Let me show you by taking an example. For x equal to 1, we have y equal to 2. X equal to 1, we again have y equal to 3. So 1 comma 2, which is 1 here and 2 here, and 1 comma 3, which is 1 here and 3 here, 1 comma 3 on top. So that would be another point, and the graph is represented by the shaded portion here. So all the points here comes and included inside the graph, because this is a graph that is including the origin and the shaded portion is on the top. So every point here inside the graph is taken as the points on the graph. So for one value of x, same value of x has how many values of y? 2, or it can also have 3 different values. So x equal to 1, and for the condition x greater than less than y can be 2, 3, 4, any n number. So in this case, this vertical line through the shaded region. So let's draw the vertical line here, and through the shaded region, when you observe for these values of x, we have one value here, one value here. So like that we have n number of infinite values for y. Same applies here. This is a value of x here on the graph, value of x, and this is vertical line. Whenever I draw my vertical line inside the shaded region, so this is again a value of x. So for one value of x, we have multiple values of y. So let's write it down here. On this graph, when we draw vertical line, a vertical line, we see that there are many y values for one x value. So to avoid confusion, let me write it down as ONE, 1, and x value within the brackets. So we can name it as, for x value we have infinite y values. Okay, so this is a total glimpse of my problem. So for one particular value of x, we have infinite number of y values. Hence this graph is not a function. So this graph is named as not a function. So this is how you solve the problem, and hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to ET Math Academy. Thank you for taking time to watch this video, and enjoy doing math at 80. Thank you.